Alright, I just wanted to do a video real quick about Magnesium Firestarter and how I use it and how it works for me. This one right here, I just have it Ranger banded on my Mora, and it is the $3 Harbor Freight Special. And as you can see, I've been playing with it quite a bit. I've taken a pretty good divot out of it already, and it works good for me. I know I've seen some other stuff online where people say the cheap ones don't work, and so on, but I've had pretty good results with this, and I just thought I'd show you how I've gotten it to work for me. So the first thing is to have a piece of 550 cord through this lanyard hole. And the reason that's worked well for me is I can loop it around my hand like this and just wrap it up, and I can lock it into my hand. It's really in there. There's tension, and then I'm pulling it back at the same time, and it's a lot easier to shave off of this when it's locked in like that. And then I'm just going to take, it's got a Mora clipper here with a 90-degree filed on the back of it, and what I've been doing is setting it into whatever surface I'm building my fire on, and taking the magnesium bar and just drawing it back and forth. And with it locked in like this and really having a good handhold on it and having it stationary, I can work up a pretty good pile of these magnesium shavings in a pretty short time. So I'm just going to make a little pile here, and you can see how quick I do it. Alright, well, that probably took, I don't have a timer that I can see right now, but I'm guessing that took less than a minute. And as you can see, I got a pretty good pile of these right here. And then to get it started, I think part of the problem with these is that people are holding them like this, and they're not getting a good firm strike when they do it. When I do the striking, I do the same thing. Let me get it here. I have it locked up in the same position. It's just flipped over with the striker bar on the bottom. And I put it right here because I know all the sparks are going to go right down there. And then I just firm and do it with authority, if you know what I mean. And you can see that lit up pretty quick. Another thing I've been playing with is trying to get these to work with other tinders. And what I've got right here, just a cotton ball with a little bit of petroleum jelly in it. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the Mora here. I got the 90-degree right over where my tinder is. And then I'm just going to give this a really firm strike. And there you go. It works on the first strike most of the times, and I can almost always get it on within the first 3 strikes. So let me just get that out of the way. And then also, if you want to try it out with more natural kind of things, I have this is just some jute that I've broken down, and I'll see here if it works as well. Well, there you go. Like I said, $3 Harbor Freight. This isn't the official military version. I've never tried those. I don't know if they work better. All I know is I've seen a lot of stuff online that say these cheap ones aren't worth your time, and I haven't had that problem at all.